Hi, I'm Natasha with Brown Dog Gadgets. Since Brown Dog Gadgets sells circuit boards that make combining electronics, crafts, and Lego easy, here's a wintry project that combines all three. This project was inspired by this ice skater Minifig. I fell in love with her little skirt and her fancy leotard, and when I saw her, I thought about this mechanism that I'd always wanted to build by putting a magnet on a motorized wheel that's under a sheet of paper or cardstock and then attaching another magnet to the skater. So when the wheel turns, it looks like she's skating without the help of any mechanism. It's like magic. To give the Minifig ice skater a home, I decided to make a snow globe for her to skate in. I used a fish tank as the globe, and I constructed the base out of Lego. And that base is to house the motor, the bit board, and the microbit. And then I also used maker tape to add a button to actuate the animation. I added blue paper and a piece of clear acetate on top to make it shiny like ice. I used the core from a spool of ribbon and a piece of cardboard to create a place for the wheel to circulate and a platform for the skater to skate on. The bit board also makes it easy to connect Neopixel sticks, so I used them to illuminate different elements. I created stars in the background by punching holes in shiny blue cardstock and then hiding two Neopixel sticks behind with some space between them. And also added a Neopixel stick to the sign in the front of the base. I used my label maker to just put the words on there. Then I created some paper mountains and added a layer of snow by painting dots onto clear acetate. I made trees from cardstock and put green acetate on top of all of the different colors so that all of the green colors kind of blended together but were a bit different. Then I built a small cardboard gingerbread house and placed a Neopixel stick inside the house and up the chimney. I put the finishing touches on by basically dumping glitter Mod Podge all over everything to be snow, and assembled everything, then painted the background. I wrote the code so the button animates the world, and now when you press the button, that house lights up, the stars twinkle, and the skater skates in her little winter wonderland. It was actually a lot of fun to create a world for this minifig. What type of world would you create for your minifig? Like, which one do you have? Or which one do you want to make a world for? Let us know. I hope you enjoyed checking out this project. Stay warm this winter. I'll see you next time.